Hi everyone, in today's video we will briefly look at what is new in macOS 13.4 and how to update it. I am going to install it on my MacBook Pro M1 and will tell you if I face any problems during the installation. Apple released macOS 13.4 on May 18, 2023. This update is about 1.59 gigabytes and includes the following enhancements as well as bug fixes. To read about this update in detail, please pause the video. If you are considering switching to macOS Ventura, I have created a helpful step-by-step video tutorial on my channel. Check the description box for the link to access it. To be safe, back up all your important files before it's too late, or clone your internal disk to an external drive. If you are not familiar with the process of cloning, I recommend watching these videos on my channel. When should you clone a hard drive and how to clone your hard drive or SSD. You can find the links in the description box below this video. Let's get started. To get the update, click the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen and select System Settings from the drop-down menu. Go to General in the left sidebar, click Software Update, and click More Info to get more information. You may have to click macOS Ventura 13.4 for more details about this release. Then click on Install Now. After that, click on Agree. Enter your password and click OK. Wait for the installation to complete. It's now time to do some cleaning. I'll return once the installation is complete and let you know if I encountered any issues during the update process. The installation is complete. It took around 14 minutes. The Apple logo and a progress bar appeared 4 times during the installation. I encountered a couple of black screens for a few seconds, but I am happy to report that I didn't face any problems during the installation. I now have macOS Ventura version 13.4. I hope you found this video helpful. If you learned something new, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to receive notifications of upcoming tutorials. Your support will encourage me to make more videos for you. Thank you for watching.